Hello guys, today we will do a simple algebra problem. Here root over 6x is equal to 6. Then find the value of x. Then we will do first the both end square. If we square the root over 6x, we will find only 6x, and in the right side if you square the 6 we will find the 36. So 6x is equal to 36. Then we will divide the both end with 6. Then 6x divided by 6 is equal to 36 divided by 6. So eliminating the 6 and 6 will remain the x, and if we divided 36 by 6 then only remain 6, so x is equal to 6. It is the answer. It is a simple problem.